Okay, so I'm gonna do it quick and I'm gonna do it for you, for women who are looking for a huge transformation in a very beautiful, playful way. And the reason I'm saying playful is because only when we in play mode we can take the sympathetic nervous system and we can bring it into action, into some kind of process that can heal, can change, can transform. And this is exactly, and when I'm saying this sympathetic, for those who don't know, it's not a bad thing. It's like, it's part of life. This is if we think about the sympathetic nervous system, yes, there are lots of survival conversation there, but that's the place that we can take the survival conversation and to take that into a new movement, into a new deeper understanding how to work with that energy, how to work with, all the triggers that automatically takes us into the survival mode. And instead of that, we catch the moment and we changed the movement. So I call this workshop Reach Inside Out. And when I say reach, yes, it's to catch, but it's also to catch a momentum of richness. And it's not for everyone. It's only for really curious women who really believe in transformation. So I invite you to come for a demo session to understand deeper what am I going to do in the group sessions on February 8th. And if it sounds interesting, reach me, DM me on private message. I'm here for you.